Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking day-old bread because moisture ruins crispness. Once you have 2-3 cups, tear or cut into 1 to 2 centimeter pieces so the processor works evenly. Pulse in short bursts. Don't hold the switch down, since continuous blending generates heat and gummy crumbs. Make sure to check texture every 4-6 pulses, scraping the bowl as needed. If you need finer crumbs, toast briefly after pulsing, but for burgers, aim for a coarse, hold-together grain. Once you have coarse crumbs, spread them thin on a baking sheet and toast at 160 degrees to 175 degrees C for 5 to 8 minutes. The why? Low heat drives off residual moisture without burning starches. Make sure to stir halfway so browning is even. After cooling, mix seasonings, 1 teaspoon salt per 2 cups, half a teaspoon pepper, and optional dried herbs or garlic powder to distribute flavor without changing texture. Cool completely. Warm crumbs traps. You finish by folding breadcrumbs into your burger mix. Start with 1/2 cup per 500 grams of meat, then adjust. The purpose is binding and moisture control, so if the mix feels dry, add 1 tablespoon milk or a beaten egg. If it's too wet, sprinkle more toasted crumbs a tablespoon at a time. Make sure to form test patties and cook one to check texture. Troubleshooting tip: if burgers crumble, add a little more egg and chill the mix for 15 minutes before forming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.